Hi children, welcome to the 8th session of the lesson Add and Subtract up to 99. I am Sucheta. In our previous session, we learned to subtract 2-digit numbers. In today's session, we will practice some more subtraction. Are you all ready? Let's get started. We will start today's session with the Look Within activity 3.17. If you have your studio with you, open page number 63 and write down today's date. And if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3.17 to do this activity. So children, for a Look Within activity, we have to read the instructions carefully, look deep within ourselves and answer. Read the instructions. The toys in a toy shop along with their prices are shown below. Which toy would you like to buy? Circle it. Children, do you see toys here? Each one has a price tag. Can you all look within and choose one toy you would like to buy? Have you all decided? Okay, you have blank spaces to write the name of the item and the price. If you give the shopkeeper 90 rupees, how much balance will you get back? Write down the money paid as 90 and the price of the item you have chosen in the boxes given below. Subtract the two numbers to find the balance. Take 10 minutes to complete this activity. Press pause to work on this activity and press play when done. Have we all completed the activity? So let's check our answers. Children, I chose the teddy bear toy. So I subtracted 61 from 90. The answer I got was 29. If you chose the clown toy, your answer would be 90 minus 76, which equals 14. If you chose the clock toy, your answer would be 90 minus 35, which is 55. If you chose the penguin toy, your answer would be 90 minus 47, which is 43. If you chose the car toy, your answer would be 90 minus 82, which is 8. Hope you all have got the correct answer. Well done. Let's move on to the next Look Deep activity 3.18. If you have your studio with you, open page number 63 and write down today's date, and if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3.18 to do this activity. Read the instructions. The parking area in Mayank's apartment has space for 64 cars. And the one in Priya's apartment has space for 56 cars. Whose apartment can have more cars and by how much? What should we do to find the answer? Circle your answer. Add, subtract, multiply or divide. So children, how will you find out whose apartment has more space and by how many cars? Take 5 minutes to work on this activity. Press pause to complete the activity and then press play when done. Have we all completed the activity? Shall we check our answers? To find out which apartment has more space to park cars, we will just compare the numbers. Mayank's apartment has space for 64 cars and Priya's space has 56 cars. Since 64 is greater than 56, Mayank's apartment has more space to park cars. Now to identify how many more cars can be parked when compared to Priya's apartment, what should we do, children? Yes, we have to subtract 56 from 64. Have you all circled subtract? Well done. 64 minus 56 is 8. Mayank's apartment has space for 8 more cars to be parked. We also use subtraction to find out how much more or less one quantity is from another. Now let us do the Think and Ink activity 3.19. If you have your studio with you, open page number 64 and write down today's date, and if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3.19 to do this activity. Read the instructions. There are 32 houses in Minu's apartment. 14 houses have yellow doors and the rest have blue doors. How many houses have blue doors? Subtract to find out. Children, do you all see the building here? There are 32 houses in total, which means there are 32 doors. Out of the 32 doors, 14 are yellow. How will you find the number of remaining doors which are blue in color? Take 20 minutes to complete this activity. Press pause to work on the activity and press play once done. Now that we have learned to subtract double-digit numbers, let's do the project time activity 3G. If you have your companion with you, open page number 32 and write today's date, and if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3G to do this activity. Read the instructions. Find the age of 2 adults in your family. Subtract your age from their age. Children, what should we do? You can talk to any 2 adults in your family. Your mother, your father, or your grandparents too. Ask them for their age and then subtract your age from their age. You may complete this activity as home fun. You can involve your family to help you with this activity too. In today's session, we learned how to subtract 2-digit numbers. In this lesson, we have learned to add single-digit and double-digit numbers by regrouping and carryover. We also learned how to subtract single-digit and double-digit numbers by regrouping and borrowing. Remember to keep practicing. Until we meet in our next math session, bye.